city now is coming back around and threatening them and silencing their messages.
An attorney suing the city of Fort Myers tonight for what happened in front of this abortion clinic where protesters were apparently out there. Some say they were breaking the law and loitering. Others say no. Fox 4 laying out all the facts so you can decide for yourself and join the conversation.
As 4 in Your Corner's Gabrielle Saran explains tonight, the lawsuit says the city is misusing an ordinance that's supposed to get prostitutes off the street. She's live with more. Gabrielle?
Amy, that's right, but police say loitering is loitering, whether it's selling sex or approaching women going into and out of a clinic that doesn't want them there.
Welcome, welcome. This clinic stays open.
From Massachusetts to Miami, it's a familiar scene. Anti-abortion protesters gathering outside clinics. This case focuses on what happened here at this clinic called the Fort Myers Women's Health Center. 2 women who regularly handed out anti-abortion pamphlets were cited by a police officer for loitering, and now they're suing the city. I got the woman's lawyer on the phone to find out why.
He told them that the ordinance that he was going to cite them under was the same ordinance that the city generally uses against prostitutes.
This city's ordinance says people can't loiter, loaf, or wander in a public space. The women's attorney, who's with the conservative group called American Center for Law and Justice, says this city code violates the protesters' constitutional rights.
Well, I think it's outrageous. I mean, what my clients are doing is totally legal. It has nothing to do with any illegal conduct. They are peacefully exercising their First Amendment rights by standing on a public sidewalk.
So I asked Councilman Michael Flanders what he thinks about that. He says City Hall wants more time before responding.
To review this case, we need to look at the ordinance to make sure that the ordinance is either valid or needs to be revised. So the ordinance does come into play, and we need to look at it.
For now, the protesters are holding off on giving anti-abortion pamphlets to women coming into this clinic.
They want this information given to the women who are contemplating abortion because, in their view, based on their religious beliefs, that abortion is murder.